Good afternoon, my name is Logan Hoffman. The purpose of my speech is to explain why genetically modified foods are not safe for our bodies or the environment. Numerous health problems have increased from GMOs since they were introduced in 1996. The percentage of Americans with 3 or more chronic illnesses have jumped from 7% to 13% during the first 9 years of this study. Food allergies have skyrocketed, and disorders such as autism, reproductive disorders, digestive problems, and others are on the rise. On a typical day, we all grab something quick to eat because we were running late or it's simple to make, maybe a Hot Pocket or fast food such as McDonald's. These foods contain GMOs, which are genetically modified organisms. These are organisms which genetic material has been artificially reproduced in the lab through genetic engineering. Most GMOs have been made to withstand application of herbicides and insecticides. So how can we put this in our bodies? We stop and grab some fast food on value menus, such as maybe a McDouble or a cheeseburger for $1.50. We should understand what we're eating can't be good for our bodies, because you can't even make this meal for $1.50 at home. Crops that are genetically modified to harm, genetically modified harm animals and the environment surrounding them. The herbicides that are used with these modified crops harm the birds, insects, local wild animals, marine ecosystems, and the local soils. The herbicides can spread to other local soil and affect the growth of other crops. They also run off into local water streams and pollute the water systems. These genetically modified crops have affected the local animal populations by eliminating the habitats for animals such as the monarch butterflies, which are now an endangered species. They have also caused birth defects and organ damage to the local animal populations. Genetically modified foods are hard for us to detect when we're at the store. Most of them don't look any different than the other foods, but it's also because they are not required to put labels on these foods in the United States or Canada. In over 50 other countries, such as China and most European countries, are required to put these labels on other products that contain GMOs. The United States should be held to some sort of standard, and we should be able to know what we are buying and what we're eating. Government oversight upon these GMOs have been very lenient and have been ignored for the most part. The United States FDA, or Food and Drug Administration, currently does not mandate or require a single safety study and does not mandate the labeling of GMOs in the United States. The FDA is allowing companies to put these modified foods into the market without notifying them or the consumer, such as yourself. The use of of synthetic biology to produce foods and produce real dangers for us, imposing health risks and inadvertently harm the environment. By avoiding these genetically modified foods, you can contribute by forcing them out of your food supply and shut down these companies. Next time you go shopping for groceries or deciding where to eat lunch, we should put more thought into our decisions and we should make better choices. Thank you.